Blue Monkey was walking through the jungle market one afternoon when he noticed something strange. A monkey who used to sell coconuts now owned 3 banana shops. Another monkey had just built a giant tree house. One monkey was even buying land to build an entire banana farm. Blue Monkey scratched his head. These monkeys didn't seem to work harder than me. They weren't carrying more banana crates than me. They weren't working longer hours than me. So how were they getting so many bananas? One day, Blue Monkey overheard 2 monkeys talking near the market. "Did you see the coconut company's stock today? It went up again." Blue Monkey froze. Stock? Blue Monkey had heard the word before, but never really understood it. So Blue Monkey started asking questions around the jungle. Eventually, he discovered something surprising. The big businesses in the jungle weren't owned by just one monkey. They were divided into thousands of tiny pieces. Those pieces were called stocks. Any monkey in the jungle could buy one of those pieces. Blue Monkey thought about it. If he bought a stock in the coconut juice company, he would own a tiny part of that business. If the company sold more drinks and the business grew, the piece Blue Monkey owned would become more valuable. So, Blue Monkey saved some bananas and bought his first stock. Over time, the company grew, and so did the value of his investment. And Blue Monkey realized something important. The stock market is simply a marketplace where monkeys buy small pieces of businesses and grow their bananas as those businesses grow.